Hello, Mrs. Gleason here, and today I am going to show you how to use read along on your iPad. So stick with me and I'll show you how to do that. So the first thing that you're going to do is go into Google Classroom. This is a shortcut that we have put on that will take you right to Safari. This tutorial is using Google Read Along in Safari, not the app. So click on your home link to Google Classroom and it'll open up in Safari, and you should already be logged into your classroom. If not, you should watch a tutorial on how to log in, and then you're going to go to the class that you are working in, and then you will see that you are in the feed, and you can get to the assignment from here, or you can also get to the assignment by clicking on classwork. And when you click on the classwork, it will tell you if you have finished it or not. And you can see that I have finished the ones that are light gray, and the ones that are dark gray I have not turned in yet. So I'm going to choose this one right here. This is the one that my teacher told me she wanted me to do today, so I'm going to click on that one, and then I'm going to tap on it. And it's going to take you right to the reading of it. If you have not done this once, you will probably need to allow microphone. I have already done this, so it's not going to prompt me to allow microphone. So I'm going to click Start Reading.
Let's read. April Fool's Day.
After the little character reads the title to you, then you'll go right to the page. You'll see it's blue, and when it's blue, that means that's what you need to read. And as you read it, you're going to see little stars popping up, and that's how you know that you are getting it correct. Jokes are played, smiles are made. Now you'll notice that it is turning blue for where I need to read. So if I say, it's fun on April Fool's Day. And you see how I collect stars for each one.
When do we celebrate April Fool's Day?
And then it will also take you sometimes to comprehension questions. So this one says, when do we celebrate April Fool's Day? And then you look at the answers, the first day of April, the second day of April, or the third day of April. You just put your finger on it and bring it over here, and it will check your work for you.
Yay, you got it.
Another thing when you're reading, you want to make sure that you're really clear. And also, if you don't know a word, you can tap on it and they will tell you the word. Look over there. Do you see the bear? And I collected stars for all the ones that I got correct. The bear is not there. It's just a chair. If you notice that I'm speaking nice and clearly, obviously during this, if I'm not doing it correctly, it's going to pick up on it, but I just wanted to tell you that right there. I made you look. You looked and looked.
Well done, you got that.
People play what? Do they play jokes? Now, if you get it wrong, it will give you less points. Let me show you that. So right now, I could get 50 points if I put jokes in, because that's the correct answer. But if I put indoor games,
you missed it. Try again.
So it'll tell me that I missed it, and then now my stars have gone down. So to get more stars, you want to answer it correctly.
Yay, you got it.
Look over there. Do you see the cat?
Great reading. That was fast. Kudos.
So after you're done, then this message will pop up, and you want to click Turn In. And then now it's turned into your classroom teacher. And then that's all there is to do. And you can go back if you have more assignments. You could go back to your class and check your classwork out. And as you see now, this April Fool's Day is the one that I just did is light gray, where the other two are dark gray. So I still have 2 more that I need to turn into my teacher. If you have any questions, try to ask someone in your classroom that is your master at Google Classroom or turning in your read along, and they can help you out.